Hi, I'm Sean, and this is Holly, who's kind of against the wall right now.
There's no room.
There is no room in this room. And today we're going to be showing you what you need to pack for a 3-month trip backpacking Europe. Yes, it looks like chaos. What we're showing you is just going to be my stuff, and Holly's going to kind of try and stay out of the way. But if you see our room right now, it is tiny. And I've decided this will be the best time to do it. Holly will give you some why she thinks this is probably not the best time for me to do this, but I think it is.
Just chaos.
Anyway.
There's dirty stuff mixed in with clean, one of the points, Sean.
No, it's not. The dirty stuff's in that bag.
Yeah, because who put them there?
Oh, you did.
And who paired your socks to make sure you had them all? I did. Otherwise, Sean will be wearing a bright pink sock with like a dark brown sock because he's chaos. He is chaos.
So this video is going to be chaos. Normally you get a nice, oh yeah, you need to pack this, you need to put that. Anyway, let's start with the shoes, because I've got those laid out. Shoes, one pair to wear, one pair to pack away just in case a pair gets wet, and flip-flops for hostel showers. Quite simple. Holly has got near enough the same for her, so we need one pair.
I've got one pair of trainers and 2 pairs of sandals.
There you go. So a quick breakdown of everything we have here. This is everything that's going into this bag here, and a 80 litre bag, which is just here. Sorry, I just took it out. This room is tiny, by the way. If you're wondering why this is done like this, I don't know. It's a tiny room. Right, so Holly's going to hold up a bag, any bag. That's a water bowl, and that's my water bowl. We fill that up with any water station we can go. This bag here is Holly's favourite bag. Why is it your favourite bag, Holly?
Because it's useless.
It's a useless bag.
It's got 2 pairs of jeans, which Sean doesn't need. It's got a heavy shirt, which Sean doesn't need. It's got a fleece, which Sean doesn't need. Yeah. And a pair of joggies, which will only be used in hostels. So
yeah, it's a pretty useless bag. To be fair, if I could bin any bag right now, I'd probably just bin that. Apart from the fact that it's the shirt that I proposed to Holly in. Alright, anyway, next one is this bag here.
Also known as random.
No, I think that's got my pants and socks. It originally was a pants and socks bag. Is that not?
No, that's got the... Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's my pants and socks.
And it's got the scratch cards and all that in it.
Scratch cards and a translator in it. So scratch cards, you'll see those if you watch our video. Especially Holly's channel. Holly does some scratch.
Yeah, at some point I will.
Yeah, they're postcards. They're postcards that you scratch off the places that you go to. Right, so that's that bag. Next bag. What's this bag, Holly?
Does what it says on the tin.
It's my dirty kit bag. Yeah. So technically, everything that I mentioned in this kit bag is actually going to be...
Why is it antibacterial?
Stop it from smelling, I guess. I don't know. It's just a kit bag I found online and I was well happy about it. Perfect. So that technically is part of this kit, so I will mention it while in it. This bag is my t-shirts and shirts bag. Yeah. I have 5 t-shirts and 5 shirts. They all look stunning. Look how good this shirt is. Like, looks good. Right, next. This bag here is a day bag. It's actually a foldable bag. It looks like my other bags. It just literally folds down itself and it's my day bag. Awesome. Thanks. Next bag. This is my random stuff bag. It's got
your towel, playing cards,
sewing stuff.
About 40 face masks from your sister.
Oh yeah, my little sister bought loads of face masks to go travelling with because apparently I need them. Cool. Next. Glasses. There's 2 pairs of glasses in there. One
sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Yeah. One
that Sean bought for the trip, and one because Sean's careless.
I will lose all my sunglasses by the end of this trip. So this
delightful mess
is my wash bag. I have about 20 million pills in that bag, which is lactose intolerant pills, because I take one every time I
Even though he claims he's going dairy free.
Let's just hope so. Also in that bag is a shampoo bar, a soap bar, another soap bar and another shampoo bar, because you know you can't ever have too many. A toothbrush, toothpaste. Anything else?
Yeah, travel wash.
And travel wash, yes. So the travel wash, we've also got I think that's in the random kit bag, if not it's in Holly's bag, a plug that fits any plug so we can wash our clothes in the sinks.
And Sean brought this before we left the UK.
Oh yeah,
so it's tied with my bandana.
Yep. So
I'm not going to throw that one.
Yeah, don't throw that one. Next one.
It's a drone bag.
It's my drone bag. It's full of my drone stuff. It's literally full of my drone.
It's sticky. Why is it
I don't know why my drone bag's sticky. As I was saying, my battery just died as I was filming this, so that's great fun.
It's your drone bag.
It's my drone bag. It's got my drone in it, drone batteries, drone controller, and... Oh, Holly's found something.
I never realised there was another pocket.
Yeah, it's quite a... Yeah, it's the, like, drone accessories. It's for...
You should have put your paperwork in there.
My paperwork is in that bag. Cool. Right, next. Don't throw that. It's my drone! To do a drone here, you have to also do a A1, A3 license. It's a pain. You have to do it in the country that you're going to if you're doing EU, but each country has its own drone laws. I might do a video on drone. These are my headphones. Holly's wearing them lovely. She looks like she's about to be taken by Wagner.
Is it not Wagner?
Wagner, maybe.
Wagner is the guy that was on the X Factor.
Those are my headphones, and they actually go into my hand luggage bag, which is this bag here. And in this hand luggage bag, you will find my camera that I'm currently using. That fits down here perfectly. Also got batteries in here. I've got memory cards, my charger, universal plug, loads of cables for phones, and also used batteries which are there that need charging. Okay, next up I have my laptop and my laptop charger. And it looks like a lot of stuff, but it will all fit into my big bag, and I'll show you that now. So Holly just told me it took me 5 minutes to pack this. As you see, it's a bit thrown together at the moment. I'm going to rearrange it a little bit maybe, just to make it a little bit more done. But I can't remember if I showed you already or I did it on a previous filming. But I've got 2 pairs of shoes at the bottom here. I'd already packed those beforehand. It's a pair of Vans and a pair of flip-flops. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this video, then you're going to like the rest of our trips. We're going on a massive trip around Europe. We're starting in Bulgaria, then we're heading to Greece, and I'm taking Holly with me, my glamorous assistant. She doesn't ever get fed up with me, and she never moans about anything. And we're going to go off to Greece after Bulgaria, and then maybe off to Albania. Then you just try and test me where I'm going.
Where we're going.
Yeah, we're going to go see some really cool places. As you can tell, I don't really do much of the planning.
Bulgaria, Greece, Albania, Montenegro, Croatia.
Yeah.
And then if we've still got money, it's Hungary and Poland.
And we're having a $50 a day allowance.
£50 a day.
Oh, sorry.
You're not American, Sean. He's been thinking about the book that he's been worshipping, the ground that Nomadic Matt walks on.
He did $50, which is less, but we're doing £50 between 2 people, which is more.
I'm going to waste away on nothing.
Yeah. We're halfway through our trip in Sofia, so that is our next episode. You can watch that on Monday. Enjoy that. We will see you again